Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Welder Stick Welder. The Welder UL160 is an inverter stick/lift TIG welder that offers some advanced and excellent features over the Welder ARC165DS we all loved. This is optimized to deliver a flawless weld, making spatter and post-weld cleanup almost non-existent. Automatic temperature control, fan dormancy, steeples amperage control, all generators friendly. The lightness and strength of its components make this a reliable work tool for professionals or personal use. Boosts the current during starting to provide easy, quick and reliable arc starts. Minimizes electrode sticking in the puddle without compromising arc stability or increased spatter. The Welder UL160 uses an IGBT inverter technology, which is slowly becoming an industry standard. As a result, this welding machine offers high efficiency of approximately 85% and a high rated duty cycle. However, the biggest issue of inverter stick welders is the ability to burn tricky 6010 electrodes. Different from general welding machines, Welder MMA/lift TIG welders are not only equipped with advanced IGBT inverter design, but also optimized in terms of power, hot start, LCD, which can further improve the performance of welding machine. Lift TIG is optional, need buy extra TIG lift torch, not included. Stick welder delivers the stable current that can make the welder reduce the damage of copper and iron, increase the welding frequency, and optimize the energy efficiency. Arc welder machine adopts automatic compensation for fluctuation, under voltage protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, and no electromagnetic noise mechanism that enables safe operation. Our second best 110V stick welder is Thulium Stick Welder. This model is lightweight and portable, with an adjustable shoulder strap to make it easy to move wherever you need it. Other great features include the digital display, the trouble indicator, and the current outlet dial that is easy to adjust. You can use this model on stainless steel, mild steel, cast iron, and various other hard surfacing. Suitable for mild steel, cast iron, stainless steel as well as hard surfacing. Can switch between 110/220ths of a volt input power with adapter. Almost all of the voltages can be used. Start arc easy and fast. High quality arc starting. Reduce the probability of initial defects in the arc. Safe and convenient for beginners, avoid sticking electrodes on work plate, affecting the quality and efficiency of welding. Smooth arc on cellulose, make electrode welding smooth, not easy to break. This welder features an easy carrying handle, compact lightweight design, easy for transportation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. The MMA welder features advanced IGBT power device with a unique control mode improves the efficiency and reliability of welding machine. Deco Pro ARC welders built-in anti-stick design remove the electrode from the workpiece easily, protect the welding machine from overloading. High performance fully mute fan motor with instant cooling function, promote body heat dissipation. The synchronous control system provides protection mechanisms. Third in our list is Welder Stick Welder. The new ARC200S stick welder supports 110V and 220V input voltage, the real current is 130A. This mini welding machine weighs only 5 pounds, it's lightweight and portable so you can take it anywhere for welding. This ARC200S stick welder machine has an intelligent LCD digital screen, which displays the recommended size of the electrode while adjusting the current. This stick welder includes ARC mode, hot start function, arc force and TIG mode. You can switch to different modes and adjust accordingly. Great for beginners. The ARC200S ARC welder comes with adjustable hot start function, which helps to improve the reliability of ARC striking and reduce the spatter while welding. The ARC force function on this ARC welder can adjust resistance of ARC to minimize electrode sticking. Intelligent LCD panel presents welding data visually, including welding mode, rod diameter, current, VRD, hot start, and ARC force, which helps to read it clearly. Seamder welder is compatible with 6010 cellulose rods, 6011 and 7018 welding rods, capable of welding cast iron, mild steel, stainless steel, and a wide range of materials. Seamder welder has passed ETL certification, built-in overheating protection, overcurrent protection. Adjustable hot start and arc force makes the arc striking easier and avoids rod sticking. 2-in-1 welder enables you to choose stick or lift TIG welding mode as you want. Seamder welder with an easy carrying handle, compacted and lightweight design is convenient to be used anywhere you need. Number 4 in our best 110V stick welder list is Girard Stick Welder. Stick welder, reduce the damage of copper and iron, the welding frequency is significantly increased, and the energy saving effect is remarkable. Digital intelligent thrust anti-stick, instant arc starting, non-stick welding rod, closed loop feedback control, stable output voltage and strong adaptability to the power grid. This welder features a easy carrying handle, small size, easy for translation and storage. Efficient for E6013, E7018, E6011, E6010, E308 etc. welding rod. Upgraded IGBT inverter technology, powerful arc welder machine capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel and cast iron. IGBT power device with unique control mode improves the reliability of the welder machine. Every piece of welding tools is strictly inspected and quality control process. You can buy freely and rest assured to try. If you have any further questions, PLS, don't hesitate to contact with us and we will reply you ASAP within 24 hours. Powerful welder capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel and cast iron. The IGBT power device with unique control mode improves the reliability of welding machine. Reduce the damage of copper and iron, obviously increase the welding frequency, and energy conserving result is remarkable. This welder features a easy carrying handle and carrying strap, compact design, easy for translation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. Closed loop feedback control, the output voltage is stable, strong adaptability for electricity network. Our last pick is Amico Power Stick Arc Welder. The machine has an excellent lift TIG arc welding function. 10200A comfortably welds thin stainless steel and other various metals. Automatic selection feature detects input voltage automatically, allowing you to easily switch between 100 to 250 volts 50 to 60 Hz input powers. Almost all of the voltages and frequencies can be used. Adjustable arc force settings allow you to meet your custom welding needs. Incorporates advanced IGBT inverter technology with superior arc characteristics and has excellent arc stability. 80% duty cycle at 200 amps ensures long time welding and the machine can still work normally with an extended power cord up to 700 feet. The power cord can resist power fluctuations and cable attenuation at any length. ARC 200 DC is a professional stick arc and lift TIG combo welding machine with an industrial level design. It is compatible with all electrodes, E6010, E6011, E6013, E7014, E7018, etc. ARC 200 DC has very powerful functions, making it easy to start and use. The machine has a built-in hot start function, anti-stick function, thrust adjustment function, current intensity control function, and automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and overload protection. Only 3.6 pounds ultra lightweight, with retractable shoulder strap for easy carrying and continuous energy saving welding outdoors for ceiling, escalator, iron door, gas pipeline, iron frame, machine, fence, billboard and more. 820 microfarads large capacitor is equivalent to 2 regular ones. Providing ultra-fast arcing for pre-welding and steady operation current without arc interruption. Stable and adjustable current from advanced IGBT tech, which makes current adjustment smooth and easy with one rotary knob attached to the machine. Guarantees overheat protection, short circuit protection, overload protection, overcurrent and voltage protection.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!